Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of using motion sensor lighting for sustainable office practices. So, what are the benefits of motion sensor lighting? Energy efficiency. Motion sensor lighting reduces energy consumption by automatically turning off lights when not in use. Lights are only activated when motion is detected, minimizing wasted energy. So, this is very important. So, when you have motion sensor lighting set up in your office environment or in your IT environment, if it detects some kind of motion or movement, then the light is turned on automatically. And when there is no one available, then the lights will be turned off automatically. So it is really helpful. And the second one is cost savings. By reducing the energy usage, motion sensor lighting can lead to significant cost savings on electricity bills. So since we are saving a lot of energy or light, it can save a lot of money for the business. The initial investment in motion sensor lighting systems can be recouped through long-term energy savings. So in the initial days, maybe you will think about it whether you want to implement this motion sensor lighting or not. But once it is implemented, if you think from long-term perspective, it is going to save a lot of money for your business. Improved sustainability. Motion sensor lighting contributes to a more sustainable office environment by reducing carbon emissions. By using less energy, offices can lower their environmental impact and contribute to a greener future. So motion sensor lighting, it contributes to a more sustainable office environment and it reduces carbon emissions, and it is also helpful for lowering the environmental impact and contribution to a and it contributes to a greener future on planet Earth. So this is very important in our current environments. So let us see what is the difference between traditional lighting and motion sensor lighting. Before implementing motion sensor lighting, our office spaces relied on traditional lighting systems that remained on even when no one was present. This led to unnecessary energy consumption and higher electricity bills. So let's say there are some employees who are working in an office, and in the night time, if when the work is done, maybe they are busy, they just want to leave the office, and maybe they are, they forgot to turn off the lights. So increase this will impact the environment, and this is going to affect the business in a negative manner, because it is going to consume a lot of energy and it is going to increase a lot of electricity bill for the companies. So now let's check motion sensor lighting. With the implementation of motion sensor lighting, our office space now automatically detect human presence and adjusting the lighting accordingly. This has resulted in significant energy savings and a more sustainable work environment. So this motion sensor lighting, as we have just discussed, it is going to be available, or it is going to be turned on automatically when there is some person, when there is some kind of movement or motion which is detected. If it is detected, the lights will be on. If it is not detected, the lights would be turned off. So this is really helpful to implement in our IT environments. All right. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.